Hi, friends! Welcome to Everyday English Talk. Want to speak English naturally every day? Today, I'm giving you 30 daily English sentences you can start using right now, at home, at work, or anywhere.
And here's how it'll work. Sophia will say the sentence and give a quick example. Then, I'll explain it slowly and simply so you remember it forever.
Yes! This way, you're not just memorizing words, you're actually practicing English like native speakers.
Stay with us till the end. By the end of this video, you'll have 30 powerful sentences ready to use today.
Case 1. Morning routine. Sentence. 1. I just woke up. I just woke up. Example. I just woke up and I'm still sleepy.
Use this every morning. Just shows it happened recently. Repeat after me. I just woke up.
2. I need some water. I need some water. Example. I need some water before I brush my teeth.
I need is for things you require. You can also say, I need some coffee, or I need a break.
3. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm brushing my teeth. Example. I'm brushing my teeth with a new toothbrush.
Ing shows you are doing it right now. Repeat. I'm cooking. I'm washing my hands. I'm reading a book.
4. I'm taking a shower. I'm taking a shower. Example. I'm taking a shower before work.
Remember, we say take a shower, not do a shower. Small details like this make you sound natural.
5. I'm getting dressed. I'm getting dressed. Example. I'm getting dressed for the office.
Use this instead of saying, I'm wearing clothes. Native speakers say, I'm getting dressed.
6. I'm making breakfast. I'm making breakfast. Example. I'm making breakfast for my family.
Here, make means prepare food. You can also say, I'm making lunch or I'm making dinner.
7. I'm having tea. I'm having tea. Example. I'm having tea with some biscuits.
Having works for eating or drinking. Repeat. I'm having coffee. I'm having rice. I'm having lunch.
8. I need to leave soon. I need to leave soon. Example. I need to leave soon or I'll be late for work.
Leave means go out. Try, I need to leave now. I need to leave at 7.
9. Where are my keys? Where are my keys? Example. Where are my keys? I can't find them.
Always say, where are my keys? Not, where my keys are? Word order is key.
10. Let's go! Let's go. Example. Let's go or we'll be late for school.
Let's means let us. Use it in let's eat, let's start, or let's watch a movie.
Catch categories 2. Work and study. 11. I have a meeting today. I have a meeting today. Example. I have a meeting today at 10 a.m. with my team.
Instead of saying, I will go to a meeting, just say, I have a meeting. Short and natural.
12. Can you send me the file? Can you send me the file? Example. Can you send me the file before lunch?
Can you is polite. You can say, can you send me the email? Or can you send me the photo?
13. I'll finish it soon. I'll finish it soon. Example. Don't worry, I'll finish it soon.
I'll equals I will. Use it to promise something. Repeat, I'll call you. I'll help you.
14. Please explain this again. Please explain this again. Example. I didn't understand. Please explain this again.
Use this when something is unclear. Please makes it polite. Try, please repeat that. Please slow down.
15. I understand now. I understand now. Example. Thanks for explaining. I understand now.
Instead of just okay, use this to show real understanding.
16. I need more time. I need more time. Example. I need more time to finish the report.
Polite way to ask for extra time. I need more time to prepare. I need more time to practice.
17. Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. Example. We've been working for 2 hours. Let's take a short break.
Invite others politely. Try, let's have lunch. Let's start the project.
18. This is very important. This is very important. Example. This report is very important for the project.
Highlight priorities. Say, this point is important. Your health is very important.
19. I'll write it down. I'll write it down. Example. That's a good idea. I'll write it down.
Use it in meetings or calls. Repeat, I'll note it. I'll remember it.
20. Can we start now? Can we start now? Example. Everyone is here. Can we start now?
Polite way to check if everyone is ready. Try, can we continue? Can we begin?
Center 3. Shopping and daily life. 21. How much is this? How much is this? Example. Me. How much is this t-shirt?
Ask for the price anytime. Short, polite, easy. Repeat. How much is this?
22. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. Example. I like this jacket, but it's too expensive.
If you want to be softer, say, it's a bit expensive.
23. Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a bigger size? Example. These shoes are small. Do you have a bigger size?
Change bigger arrow smaller, depending on what you need.
24. Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Example. Can I try this dress on?
Always say, try it on, not just try it.
25. I'll take it. I'll take it. Example. I like this shirt. I'll take it.
Clear way to tell the seller you want to buy.
26. Do you accept cards? Do you accept cards? Example. I don't have cash. Do you accept cards?
Practical question for daily shopping.
27. Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? Example. Excuse me, where is the fitting room?
Small room to try clothes, also called changing room in some countries.
28. I'm just looking. I'm just looking. Example. Thank you, I'm just looking.
Polite way to say you don't need help yet. Repeat, I'm just looking.
29. Is there a discount? Is there a discount? Example. This bag is nice. Is there a discount?
Use this at sales or markets to ask if the price can be lower.
30. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Example. Thank you for your help. I'll think about it.
Always polite. Leaves a good impression.
My friend, now you know 30 simple and powerful sentences you can use today. The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound.
Remember, fluency doesn't come from memorizing grammar. It comes from using real sentences every day. Practice these 30 sentences this week, and you'll feel more confident, more fluent,